Have you ever wondered how SQL is structured and what its different components are? Well, look no further. This is the perfect place to get your answers. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a standard language for managing data held in a relational database management system. It is a powerful tool used by professionals across industries, from data analysts to software developers. Despite its complexity, SQL can be broken down into 4 main components, making it easier to understand and use. First up is the Data Definition Language, or DDL. This is the part of SQL that allows you to define and manage database structures. It's like the architect of a building project, drawing up the blueprints and laying the groundwork. With DDL, you can use commands such as create to make new databases or tables, alter to modify existing structures, and drop to delete them. Next in line is the Data Manipulation Language, or DML. This is where the action happens. It allows you to perform operations on the data itself. It's like the construction crew that follows the architect's blueprints to build the structure. DML uses commands such as select to retrieve specific data, insert to add new data, update to modify existing data, and delete to remove data. Thirdly, we have the Data Control Language, or DCL. This is the security guard of the SQL world. It manages permissions and security aspects of the database. DCL commands include grant, giving user permissions, and revoke, taking them away. Lastly, we have the Transaction Control Language, or TCL. This is the manager, overseeing transactions within a database. TCL uses commands such as commit to save a transaction permanently, and rollback to undo transactions. So to recap, SQL is more than just a single language. It's a collection of 4 distinct components, each with its own set of commands and functions. DDL is for defining and managing structures, DML for manipulating data, DCL for controlling permissions and security, and TCL for managing transactions. Each of these components plays a crucial role in how SQL functions, making it the robust and versatile tool it is today. Understanding these distinctions allows you to effectively work with SQL for various tasks. It's like knowing your toolbox inside out. The right tool for the right job makes all the difference. So next time you dive into SQL, remember these components and their functions. It could be the key to unlocking your next big data project. And that, dear listeners, is a quick tour of the beautiful architecture that is SQL. As with any language, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. So don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and delve deeper into the world of SQL. You never know what fascinating insights you might discover.